Hi, welcome to today's session. We're doing core and a Tabata style workout. So stick around, stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button, and we're going to get started. So in this Tabata, we'll be on the floor. You'll need a mat. So the first exercise will be 4 exercises. We're going to do a push-up. So you can modify however you want. You can either do a push-up on your knees, or you can do it on your toes. And then we'll be doing a plank. So down to your forearms, or you can come up tall like this and just hold. You can be on your knees as well. And then we're going to flip around and go into bicycles. So elbow to knee, elbow to knee. If your hamstrings are tight, you'll kick out a little bit higher. If you're good to go, down low. And then we're going to do scissors or under your bum and then scissors like this. You can keep the legs up if it's hurting your back, or bring it down and up, whatever works for you. So we'll do those 4 exercises and then we'll repeat them again. So 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest, and let's get started.
Welcome to Tabata. Here we go in 5, 4.
Push-ups are first.
3, 2, 1, go.
Either on your knees
I'm at a party I don't
or
wanna
come to
be
your
at,
toes.
and I don't ever wear a suit
At
and
your own
tie.
pace.
Round 1.
Wondering if I can sneak out the back. Nobody's even looking me in my eyes. Then you take my hand,
This one's
finish
good for
my
you.
drink, say shall we
Chest is
dance?
out.
Hell yeah. You know I love you, did I ever tell you?
3, 2,
Make it better
1,
like
stop.
Back. Getting set up for your plank. Either elbows or on your hands.
3, 2, 1, go.
Don't think I fit in at this party.
Round 2.
Everyone's got so much to say. Yeah, I always feel like I'm nobody.
5,
Who wants to
4,
fit in anyway?
3, 2,
Coming
1,
down.
stop.
Let's flip around. Bicycles are next.
3, 2, 1,
Cause I
go.
don't care when I'm with my baby, yeah. All the bad things disappear. And you're making me feel like maybe I am somebody. I can deal with the
Make sure
bad
you're breathing.
nights
Go at your own
when I'm
pace.
with my baby, yeah.
3, 2, 1, stop.
Scissors are next. These guys. Hands can be under your bum if you want.
3, 2, 1, go.
We at a party we don't wanna be at. Trying to talk but we can't hear ourselves. But your lips are rather kissing right back. With all these people all around, I'm crippled with anxiety. But I'm told it's where I'm supposed to be. You know what? It's kinda crazy cause I really don't
3,
mind.
2,
Back to the
1,
push-up. Get set up.
3, 2, 1, go.
Don't think we
Round
Make it strong. Keep that chest engaged. Shoulders back. On your toes if you want.
Oh yeah, yeah. When we walked in, I said I'm sorry. But now I think that we should
3,
stay.
2, 1, stop.
Going into your plank.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
Cause I
go.
don't care when I'm with my baby, yeah. All the bad things
Hold it
disappear.
strong.
And you're making me feel
Strong.
like maybe I am somebody.
Core is engaged.
I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah.
3, 2, 1,
Down to your bicycles. Let's set up.
3, 2, 1,
Cause I
go.
don't care, long as you just hold me near. You can take me anywhere. And you're making me feel like I'm loved by somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Scissors.
1, stop.
I don't like nobody, babe. I hate everyone here.
5,
Don't like
4,
nobody, babe.
3, 2,
Yes. Thanks again for joining me today. I hope you feel it. I can feel it. I had a great workout. If you want to check out my clothing I'm wearing, I am a Zaya rep, so check out the links below. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.